Good morning, children. Today we are going to study the poem called Meadow Surprises. This poem is written by Louis Brandt. This poem means, what is the meaning of meadows? Meadows means plain grassy land. Plain grassy land. Okay? And surprises means the wonders. Meadows में बहुत सारी wonderful चीज़ें हैं, हम उनको देख पाएंगे. Meadows are घास से भरे हुए समतल मैदान, इनको मिडोज कहते हैं, जहाँ कभी कभी चरवाहे अपनी भेड़ बकरियों को गायों को चराने के लिए ले जाते हैं. सो वॉक अक्रॉस अ ग्रीन फील्ड, अ पार्क और इवन अंडर अ क्लम्प ऑफ ट्रीज एंड यू विल नोटिस मैनी वंडरफुल थिंग्स. अगर किसी ग्रीन फील्ड के में से गुजरेंगे या किसी पार्क में से गुजरेंगे, क्लम्प ऑफ ट्रीज, क्लम्प मीन्स क्लम्प इज अ कलेक्टिव नाउन, क्लम्प collective noun used for a group of trees. So if you walk under, even if there are a group of trees, if you walk from there, you will notice many wonderful things. Wonderful things means many surprising things you will notice there, which you have not observed so far, which you will not be able to observe in a crowded marketplace or in your home also. So if you watch it carefully, you will get to see wonderful things in the meadow or in a park or under the group of trees. What are some of the surprises a meadow has for someone with a keen and sharp eyes? Let us know by reading this poem that what are the surprises, which surprises is the poet talking about, that you can see or you can hear if you are keen. Keen means if you are careful. अगर आप careful होंगे, अगर आप interest लेके देखेंगे, if you are interested, keen can also be interested. If you are interested, then you will be able to see them. And if your ears are sharp, अगर आप के कान तेज हैं, ध्यान देंगे आप, तो you will be able to get the surprises. Now, meadows have surprises. You can find them if you look. Walk softly through the velvet grass and listen by the brook. You may see a butterfly rest upon a buttercup and unfold its drinking straws to sip the nectar up. You may scare a rabbit who is sitting very still, though at first you may not see him. When he hops, you will. A dandelion whose fuzzy head was golden days ago has turned to airy parachutes that flutter when you blow. Explore the meadow houses that burrows in the ground, a nest beneath tall grasses, the ant's amazing mound. Oh, meadows have surprises and many things to tell. You may discover these yourself if you look and listen well. I told you the name of the poet is Louis Brandt Phillips. Louis Brandt Phillips is the poet, and he is here to show us the surprises which the meadows are about to offer to us. So we will do the word-to-word meanings of the poem. So first, meadows meaning I told you, plain grassy land. Surprises I told you, wonders. So meadows have wonders. You can find them if you look. Look means how to look? Look carefully. If you look carefully, then you will be able to find those surprises. Otherwise, you will not be able to find it. अगर ध्यान नहीं देंगे तो आपको surprises नहीं मिलेंगे. Walk softly through the velvet grass and listen by the brook. So you have to walk softly. Softly means without making any noise. Quietly, without making any noise. That is, you can say quietly. You have to walk through the meadows quietly. Through the velvet grass. Grass is compared to velvet because velvet is very soft and the grasslands are also very soft. So if you walk through the velvet grass and listen by the brook. Brook is a small stream Brook is a small stream flowing out of a big river, जिसको हम कहते हैं छोटी सी नदी. Okay. So if you listen by the brook, what will happen? You will be able to hear the gurgling sound of the water. When the water flows, it makes some sound. The sound is called gurgle. So if you will listen by the brook, you will be able to hear the gurgling sound of the brook. You may see a butterfly also. You may come across a butterfly and you can find them if you look. So you may see a butterfly rest upon a buttercup. You might be able to see a butterfly. Butterfly is a insect which drinks nectar from the flowers. You know that. Butterfly drinks nectar from the flower. Now what is nectar? Nectar is the sweet juice found in the flowers. फ्लावर्स के अंदर एक मीठा सा रस होता है, इसको नेक्टर कहते हैं. ओके, सो इफ यू वॉक क्वाइटली सॉफ्टली विदाउट मेकिंग एनी नॉइज, अगर आप धीरे धीरे जाएंगे देन यू विल बी एबल टू सी अ बटरफ्लाई. व्हाट विल द बटरफ्लाई डू? इट विल रेस्ट. रेस्ट मीन्स इट विल सिट और इट विल लैंड ऑन द flower. What is the name of the flower? Flower's name is buttercup. What kind of flower it is? Buttercups are flowers which grows on the grass. छोटे छोटे flowers होते हैं. Okay, grass वाले फूल होते हैं, घास में उगने वाले फूल. So if you will walk quietly through the meadows, you will see the butterfly. It will land on the buttercup. Then you will also see it unfold its drinking straw. What are drinking straws? Suppose I am drawing a butterfly here. Okay, this is a butterfly. Now butterfly के यहाँ पे दो आँखें होती है और यहाँ से दो एंटेनाज निकले होते हैं. Okay, so if you see a butterfly land on any flower quietly, if you make a noise, it will fly away. But if you see it landing, it will come on the flower. Suppose this is the flower, and suppose the butterfly has landed here. Okay, now what will it do? It will open its antenna to drink the nectar from the flower. Nectar को flower में से पीने के लिए वो अपने antennas को खोलेगी. So these are the antennas are called drinking straws. Why will it open its antennas? To sip the nectar. Sip is to drink. To drink with a straw. If you go to a restaurant, you order a cold drink, they give you a straw to drink it. Straw मतलब पाइप सा देते हैं, वो आपको पीने के लिए, उसको सिप करना कहते हैं. उससे जब पीते हैं उसको कहते हैं सिप करना. सो बटरफ्लाई नेचुरली हैज़ अ स्ट्रॉ. बटरफ्लाई के पास एक नेचुरल स्ट्रॉ है, उसका एंटेना. इट अनफोल्ड्स इट. अनफोल्ड करना मतलब टू स्ट्रेच. वो अपने एंटेनास को खोलती है, लंबा करती है और उसकी मदद से फ्लावर्स का जूस पी लेती है. सो इफ़ यू वॉच केयरफुली, इफ़ यू आर क्वाइट, इफ़ यू आर very keen, only then you will be able to see these meadow surprises. Now you may scare a rabbit. Scare means to frighten. आप एक rabbit को frighten कर सकते हैं, डरा सकते हैं. अगर who is sitting very still. Sitting very still means with still मतलब without any movement. बिना किसी मूवमेंट के उसको कहते हैं सिटिंग वेरी स्टिल. सो इफ़ यू आर वेरी क्विक यू विल स्केयर अ रैबिट हु इज सिटिंग वेरी स्टिल. पहले स्टिल बैठा था जो रैबिट, आप उसको डरा दोगे अगर जल्दी से जाओगे. दो एट फर्स्ट यू मे नॉट सी हिम, एट फर्स्ट यू विल नॉट नोटिस हिम. आपने पहले उसको हो सकता है ध्यान नहीं दिया होगा जब आप गए होंगे, इसीलिए आपने उसको डरा दिया गलती से. बट वेन ही हॉप्स यू विल. हॉप्स मतलब जम्प्स. रैबिट कैसे चलता है? फुदक फुदक के चलता है, जंप करता है, यहाँ से यहाँ, फिर यहाँ से यहाँ, फिर यहाँ से यहाँ, जंप करता हुआ चलता है. सो दिस इज कॉल्ड हॉपिंग. सो इफ यू गो टू अ प्लेन एरिया मिडो, यू माइट कम अक्रॉस अ रैबिट. हो सकता है आपको एक रैबिट नजर आ जाए. पहले तो वो शांत बैठा होगा, बट व्हेन ही विल जंप देन यू विल सी हिम. अ डैंडेलियन whose fuzzy head was golden days ago. Dandelion is this flower. See, इस तरह के फूल होते हैं. आपने देखा है कि नहीं मुझे नहीं पता, मैं ड्रॉ करके बता रही हूँ. ऐसे टाइप के कॉटन बॉल की तरफ के फूल होते हैं. ऐसा फूल देखा आपने कभी? ये रुई की तरह, फेदर की तरह इस पे पेटल्स उगते हैं, इतना गोल सा होता है ऐसा. ओके, सो दिस इज द डैंडेलियन फ्लावर. सो डैंडेलियन हुज फजी हेड. फजी मीन्स फरी. जिसका हेड फरी है, फर से भरा हुआ है, जिसका सर, हेड मतलब डैंडेलियन द फ्लावर, इसका ये सर ऐसे ऐसे, इसके ऊपर बहुत सारे फेदर्स की तरह गोल 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 गोल। इस तरह का डैंडेलियन होता है। सो ये डैंडेलियन फ्लावर का हेड जो है किससे ढका हुआ है? फर से। इट वॉज गोल्डन डेज अगो, डेज अगो मीन्स फ्यू डेज बैक, फ्यू डेज back it was golden, but now what has happened? Has turned into airy parachutes. It has become airy parachute. Airy parachute मतलब अब वो जब फूल पुराना हो जाता है तो उसके feathers उड़ने लगते हैं पैराशूट की तरह। Parachute also flies in the sky. So if you have a dandelion flower, ये dandelion है। Now suppose children what they do, they open their mouth and blow the air. तो ये इसके जो ये feathers हैं इधर उधर उड़ने लगते हैं। वैसे ही अगर नॉर्मली हवा बहती है, breeze और wind, then also it will fly. So the when it becomes old, with the help of the air, it flies like parachutes and flutter when you blow. Even when you blow at them, blow means when you blow air. जब आप फूंक मारते हैं तो भी वो उड़ के इधर उधर चले जाते हैं। Okay, what does this happen? How what is the help? What happens with this when the pollens, when this dandelion parachutes fly here and there? It will fall in some other place and it will form a new plant when it will get water, air and sunlight. You all know how a plant grows. It needs water. What does a plant need to grow? Water, air and sunlight. Okay. So when the dandelion parachutes will fly here and there, जैसे जैसे वो उड़ उड़ के इधर उधर जाएंगे तो जब ज़मीन पे गिरेंगे, जैसे ही ज़मीन पे गिर जाएंगे बहुत सारे, तो क्या होगा? इनको जब पानी मिलेगा, एयर तो है ही पहले से, और सनलाइट मिलेगी तो धीरे धीरे ये यहाँ से एक नया पेड़ निकल के आ जाएगा, नया डैंडेलियन निकल के आ जाएगा। आपने देखा होगा पौधा कैसे निकल जाता है अचानक, हमें लगाने की कभी कभी ज़रूरत भी नहीं होती है, खुद ब खुद निकल आता है। सो इट हैपन्स ड्यू टू पॉलिनेशन। पॉलिनेशन इज़ अ प्रोसेस through which the seeds of a plant get transferred from one place to another with the help of animal or with the help of human beings or with the help of air. So dandelions pollination is taking place through air or sometimes when you children blow at it. Okay, now explore the meadow houses that the burrows in the ground. Explore means to find out. Let us go and find out the meadow houses. There are many houses also in the meadow. What kind of houses they are? The burrows in the ground burrows, burrows for rabbits, burrows for rabbits. Okay, all these burrows are made by rabbits, snakes also, sometimes mules, sometimes the mongoose, they make burrows. Okay, so you will be able to see many burrows in the meadow. They are meadow houses. A nest beneath tall grass, you will be able to see a small nest. There are so many tall grasses, under it you will see a small nest is there. So which birds make nest on the ground? Ostrich. Ostrich makes a nest on the ground. The peacock makes a nest on the ground. Many other birds, they make nest on the ground. So you will be able to see nest beneath the tall grasses. Beneath means under. What is the meaning of beneath? Beneath is under. An ant's small amazing mound. You will see the mound of a ant. Ant hill, you have seen like this. इस तरह का ant hill होता है, इसमें से चींटियाँ निकलती है, चींटियों ने एक होल बना रखा होता है. They live inside it. So this is called the mound of a ant. Oh, meadows have surprises and many things to tell. There are many surprises in the meadow and there are many things which the meadow wants to tell us. But if you go there quietly, you observe them with keen eyes, with interest, only then you will be able to see them. You may discover these yourself if you look and listen well. But you have to look well, you have to listen well. अच्छे से ध्यान से देखना पड़ेगा, ध्यान से सुनना पड़ेगा. Only then you will be able to discover them. You will be able to find them. Children, I hope you have understood this lesson. Thank you.